down like right now. It's right here. Motherfuckers out watching this crap. This is going down.
You guys know how long ago it started?
Yeah, it been about like, I'd say like 15, 20 minutes. That's all bad. I hope whoever is up in there is all right. They got on.
Yeah, I hope nobody's hurt.
Look at that explosive. That's explosive. It's blowing up over there. Sound like a situation I was in. Woo. It's going down. First on scene right here. First on scene. First on scene. I ain't playing. And then I cock it like this. That ain't how I would when they make it look small and short. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna turn it like this. What about like this? Oh, he sucks. Got some more ambulance. That's like 3 or 4 ambulance. Then the police right there. Well, we about to got traffic all bagged up on Alexandria right there. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I pray everybody is all good. Yeah, they got it under control right now. I can see that white smoke is cooling off. It's cooling off. Got that white smoke going down. Yeah. God bless. Woo! They're doing the most right here from the district. I'm surprised them windows didn't bust out over there. Like, where you at? Right there. That big old, that's Stater Brothers. That's old Stater Brother. I can't zoom in on this bullshit.
Stay out of the parking lot.
He said stay out of the parking lot. Okay, what's going to happen? Got a gang of police and ambulance over there. All back. Got it under control though. That's what they is doing.
Pet shop too, huh?
The pet shop?
Yup.
I hope not.
It's the pet shop right there.
In front of it or behind?
Right on the other side.
Oh, that sucked.
The pet shop, they
That's
just
like
moved
that's the
in
whole.
there.
That's like the whole
Look,
Stater,
they
old
moved-
Stater Brother though.
Yeah, they moved the pet shop from there to over there.
I was just saying the whole building right there is the
Yeah.
old Stater Brother. That's
Hello?
what's going on right there.
Shit, I know I can't. I was going. Shit. Huh? Hell yeah. Oh, you on the matters? Oh, okay. And you going back? All right. Because I was just about to go back.
Look at the kids playing with the
Oh,
sirens.
they said, yeah, this whole motherfucker's burning down and it's still burning. fucking crazy. And now the only thing I say is bless those that who couldn't get out. Yes. And you already know how we seen them coming out, huh? That's fucking crazy. Or either trying to stay warm. That's fucking crazy. All right. Huh? Oh. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's taking a long one.
Okay.
You got the ambulance right over there.
No.
Moving on.
Yeah, that bitch ain't there.
Out of the parking lot, walk over that way.
Walk over that way. Got the arsoners.
Right.
Them the arsoners right there. Yeah. Oh, you just ran over the thing? Look, the ambulance up in here. Waiting.
Some U-turn shit.
Shit, we got some burnt ones.
Bodies in that motherfucker.